Did you know that a single button on your camera can instantly transform your photographs from dull to dramatic? A small, unassuming button on your camera holds the power to take your photography to the next level. This button is called the depth of field, or DOF button, and it allows you to control the amount of blur in your image. By adjusting the DOF, you can create stunning portraits, beautiful landscapes, or even capture the intricate details of a small object. But that's not the strangest part. The DOF button can also be used to create a sense of depth in your images, making them feel more three-dimensional. Imagine taking a photograph of a beautiful mountain range and using the DOF button to blur the background, making the mountains stand out even more. Or picture this: you're taking a portrait of a person, and you use the DOF button to blur the background, making the subject stand out against the blurred environment. The possibilities are endless, and the results are nothing short of amazing. But before we dive deeper into the world of DOF, let's talk about why it's so important. You see, a well-controlled DOF can make or break an image. It can add depth, interest, and even emotion to your photographs. And the best part, it's not just for professionals. Anyone with a camera can use the DOF button to take their photography to the next level. So how does it work? Well, the DOF button works by adjusting the aperture, or the size of the camera's aperture, which controls the amount of light that enters the lens. When you adjust the aperture, the DOF NG the button aperture opening, which camera's aperture affects the amount of blur in your image. For example, if you use a wide aperture, such as f/1.4, you'll get a shallow depth of field, which means the background will be blurred and the subject will stand out. But if you use a narrow aperture, such as f/16, you'll get a deep depth of field, which means the entire image will be in focus. And then something unexpected happened. A new type of lens was invented, which allowed photographers to control the DOF with even more precision. This lens, called the macro lens, allowed photographers to capture the intricate details of small objects and even create stunning close-up portraits. But that's not all. The macro lens also allowed photographers to create a sense of depth in their images by blurring the background and making the subject stand out. And as if that wasn't enough, the macro lens also allowed photographers to capture the texture and detail of small objects, making them look even more realistic. For centuries, photographers have been trying to capture the perfect image, and the DOF button has been a crucial tool in their arsenal. But what about the impact of the DOF button on the world of photography? Well, the DOF button has revolutionized the way we take photographs, allowing us to capture stunning images that are both beautiful and meaningful. And as we continue to push the boundaries of photography, we'll see even more amazing things happen. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? The DOF button is a powerful tool that can take your photography to the next level. And it's not just for professionals. Anyone with a camera can use it to create stunning images. Want to learn more about photography and how to use the DOF button to take your images to the next level? Subscribe to our channel for more photography tutorials and tips. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on the DOF button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more photography tutorials and tips.